Beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you've not subscribed yet, please just click on the subscribe button, guys. It's free. Most people don't know this subscribe button is free, but I'm here to tell you it's free. Just click on the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. If you don't even enjoy it, just give it a thumbs up, because when you do that, YouTube recommends my video to a wider range of people. Yes, guys, on today's video we're talking about I'm gonna learn. I have my notes here. Please, if I'm looking at this way, don't be offended, just listen to me. We have what and opposite. Okwu na megidere means what and opposite. Okwu na megidere means what and opposite in Igbo language. Okay, most times in Igbo language when we are laughing is Ochi. Laughing is Ochi. If you're not laughing, you're angry, right? You're sad. So iwe. So when you laugh, Ochi. And you're sad, iwe. Ochi. Iwe. Laughing, angry. Okay? And number 2 here is raro. When something is heavy, when you want to carry up something, the bag is heavy, you want to carry a bag of rice. It's heavy, right? Arrow. Arrow. And when something is heavy, the opposite of it is light, right? Mfe. Mfe. So arrow, the opposite is mfe. Arrow, mfe. Arrow, mfe. Arrow, mfe. And we have also. Also, that's to run. Also. And the opposite is iji, that's to walk. If you're not running, you're walking, right? You're not standing. If you're not running, you're walking. Okay? Also, iji. Also, iji. And we have elu, up, ala. If it is not up, it is down. Elu, ala. Elu, ala. Elu, ala. Elu, ala. And we also have sit down, Tukwuru ala. Sit down, Tukwuru ala. Sit down, Tukwuru ala. We have stand up, kwuru. If you're not sitting down, you are standing up. So Tukwuru ala, kwuru. 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 And we have also sleep. If you're not sleeping, you are awake. Do you understand? So sleep, ora. Awake, teta. Ora, teta. Ora, teta. Ora, teta. If you're not sleeping, you are awake. Ora, teta. And we have another one here. Big, Nnukwu. Small, obere. Big, Nnukwu. Small, obele. Big, Nnukwu. Small, obele. And another one we have here is oku. If the food is not hot, it is cold. Do you understand? Oku, oyi. Oku, oyi. Oku, oyi. Oku, oyi. Oku, oyi. Oku, oyi. My son, he knows how to say this one. Oku, 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 oku. Yes. And we have another one here is Ocha, Oji. White, black. White, black. If it is not white, it's black. White, black. Ocha, Oji. Ocha, Oji. Ocha, Oji. Ocha, Oji. Ocha, Oji. And we have another one here. Mepe, mepe, mechie. Open, close. Mepe, mechie. But some people say mehe is still the same thing. Mepe, mechie. Mehe, mechie. Mepe, mechie. And we have another one here is ogologo. Ogologo, mumbu. If you're not tall, you're short. If he's not tall, he's short. If they are not tall, they are short. ogologo mkpụmkpụ, ogologo mkpụmkpụ, ogologo mkpụmkpụ, ogologo mkpụmkpụ, ogologo mkpụmkpụ, ogologo mkpụmkpụ. So guys, this brings me to the end of this video. This is what's an opposite. Okwu na megidere. What's an opposite in Igbo language? Okwu na megidere na onu asusu Igbo. Yes, if you've not subscribed, please hopefully do so. Share this video as well if you enjoyed it. If you don't, share it for me as well. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.